Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Subaru XV, stock reference number 4842. This shape runs from the 5th month 17 and is the current shape. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.